Today we're going to replace the door handle on this 2014 Nissan Pathfinder on the rear passenger door. I just made a video of how to remove the door panel, and the reason for it is because this one here is broken. So we have to replace it with the replacement. So with the tools that you're going to be needing for this job after you watch the video of how to remove this, it's going to be a Phillips screwdriver. Let's go ahead and remove the 3 screws from here. Oops. Might need both hands. And let's go ahead and set these 3 screws to the side. Let's go ahead and remove our door handle. Looks like it has a little latch right here. Alright, just use a flathead or your trim tool removal to remove both of these from here. There it is. Just go ahead and slap the new one on. Let's go ahead and slide it into place and clip it down. There it is. Let's go ahead and grab our 3 screws and screw them down. I suggest using a screwdriver, not a power tool. Once you have everything secured, you're set. And that's pretty much it. Make sure you watch the next video of how to install the door panel back into the vehicle. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.